Hey, Sam.
Hey, Tim.
What you doing, Sam?
How you doing, Timmy?
I'm doing great, Samantha.
Getting ready to stain Timothy James.
The Bat House.
Finally getting around to it. It's been a minute, but that's okay. Had things going on.
Sam is slow.
Yeah. Hey, this one's a little bigger than the other ones that we have. I don't think I like that.
You thought there was paint on it.
No, I don't think there was any paint on it, but... So we are...
Join us.
I'm
us.
sorry.
Oh.
Join.
Join.
So this is the Bat House before the stain. Whoop. We're going to go from this color to a dark walnut color.
Like this.
Hey, that's kind of funny. Me, before, you, after.
It's not funny.
You were laughing.
Yeah, you're right.
It
Smells like cedar.
Yeah, you can smell the cedar.
It is cedar.
I know. I know it's cedar. That's what... Oh. Sorry, I didn't mean to mess that up.
Babe, you about to scare me to death.
That's not... It was more level down here, but it's okay.
Okay,
It's
we'll
cool.
move back down here. Just don't knock it over.
I didn't knock it over. You ready to stain?
You ready?
I'm ready.
1, 2, 3, go. You go first.
1, 2, 3, go. Oh, you're so sweet. Hey, I got
Y'all
some
liking the beard?
bear ketchup. I'll start down here. Ew. That's a pretty color.
Of course it is.
You picked it out.
No. You told me what you were looking for.
No, I said black.
I think she just made a slur.
I didn't make a slur.
Slurpee.
Spoke clearly.
I like the way it coats.
Yeah, it coats like that with a fresh new dry brush. Coats a little different with a wet, dirty brush.
Which one you got?
The wet, dirty brush.
Babe, I'll be done.
Hey, you know what? I was looking out for you. You're not a very patient person. Let's be real. I looked out for you.
I'm extremely patient.
You're welcome.
Yeah.
Look, though, I don't know why I was doing that. I'm loving that.
I cannot stand when somebody says you're welcome before I say thank you.
Sarah Stallings.
Sarah Stallings. You need to-
No, what are you doing? That's not yours.
I know, I was eating it
You're
out.
so unfair right now. Stop splashing it, too. The shirt is good.
That's your good shirt. That's your Sunday
Yes.
shirt.
No, not my Sunday shirt.
Sunday go to meeting.
I haven't got white paint on it in certain areas.
Then it's not a good shirt then.
It is a good shirt. It's just speckled white.
Oh.
It's different.
But I'm almost finished.
Well, you know what? I didn't think this was a race hunt. I thought we were just doing it together. It's bonding time. We shouldn't be rushing through it.
Oh, let me take my time.
I see you.
Oh. Shooby-dooby-doo. I said shooby-dooby-doo.
And I changed it and went doo-doo-doo-doo.
That's because you're wrong.
I went, the heck? It's not supposed to be right or wrong. It's just supposed to be
It's
fun.
not a competition, man.
It's not fun. It's
not a
just supposed to
competition.
be fun, babe.
It's not a competition.
I'm making it our own.
It's not a competition.
I'm not competing.
Really?
Yeah.
Me either.
Hit. You're funny.
Strangers in the night.
Ooh, give me some Frank.
I I've got you under my skin. Funny story about that is I told Sam when she heard I got you under my skin, she told me those were not the words.
Okay, let me set the scene though. It was one evening, we were getting ready to go to bed, so it was later than it should have been. I was definitely overtired, and he randomly says, what is it?
I've got you under my skin.
I've got you under my skin, and I was dead set that
likes-
that was not
who
what
likes-
my Frank would sing.
Who likes Frank Sinatra more, me or you?
I do.
No.
I was overly tired.
Did you know the lyrics before you got overly tired?
Yes.
You knew it said under your skin before you got
Yes.
No, hell you did.
Sure I did. I know I did.
Yeah, not so sure.
Needless to say, I was wrong.
Needless to say.
And I felt somewhat different about my Frank.
Yeah.
Felt very
Needless to
different.
say. It's our fancy workshop. Notice the beautiful coloring.
The beautiful.
Hey, easy how you drip.
I dripped on this wonderful cardboard that you took forever picking out and separating and putting on the table.
That's because I wanted to make sure that we didn't get it all over nothing.
Well, for all your hard work, I made sure to get some stain on it.
For all my hard work.
Yes.
Thank you, babe.
Oh, you're
Such
welcome.
a sweetheart.
I think about you, boo.
I think about you.
I got you on top of my skin.
Why? All right then.
I don't want you under my skin. That just sounds so creepy.
It does not sound creepy to me.
I think it's under my skin.
Where's your heart?
Oh,
Your heart under your skin?
sure, it's in my body.
It's in your body. Under your skin?
In my body.
Under your skin.
Well, my body is wrapped with my
My
skin.
body lies over the ocean.
What?
My body lies over the sea.
Now I know that's not a Frank song.
No, it's not.
I know, because I don't know
That's a song that people would have heard when they were kids. So bring back my body to me.
What people? Because I didn't hear that as a
Bring back,
kid.
oh, bring back. Oh, bring back my body. Stop licking my fingers, widget.
It sounds like a primary song.
It is kind of a kiddie little song.
It's cute.
Of course it's cute. I sang it when I was a kid.
Conceited.
I said I sang it when I was a kid.
I heard what you said. I'm not deaf.
Not when you don't. Not when you. Not unless you want to be.
Look, you're the king of not responding. Don't even make it sound like I'm the one that doesn't listen. You better not do my slap. Oh, you bum!
Is this your slap?
Yes, you did all the other three, you greedy.
Because I'm fast.
No, you got the good brush.
You want me to touch that up?
No!
Look at the rest of the board.
That's just the wood, babe. That's how the wood is.
Let's see if we can.
You
try it.
already went over it.
I didn't go over it.
You did too. You went over that whole board with
You want
yours.
to try it? Let's try it. One strike. Look at that.
I liked it better the other way. See, look, it still stays there. See, it's the wood.
Okay.
You just ruined my masterpiece. Now there's not any of me on the surface. It's just you.
That's you, babe.
No, it's not.
You
went
got a
over-
hold right there to do.
You went over my skin.
You got that one right there to do.
I'm under your skin now.
You got that one right there to do.
You already did the majority of that one too.
Yeah.
No competition. That's because you stamped your name all over it.
It's not a competition, babe.
I know it's not a
It
competition.
is not a competition.
I said I know it's not.
All right. Well, stop worrying about it.
I'm not worried about it.
Stop talking about it.
I'm not talking about
Don't
it.
talk about it. Be
You know what
about
I'm talking about?
it. Practice.
Ooh, practice.
You talk about practice.
What's practice?
Allen Iverson. You don't remember that? Oh, maybe you didn't see it.
That's not what I was
Talking
talking
about
about.
practice?
I was talking about the other kind of practice.
What other kind of practice?
The not Facebook Live kind of practice.
You want this brush?
No, I like my brush. What's wrong with mine?
And then it just kind of put stain on pretty heavy.
No, it doesn't.
And you almost lose that stain. Look at that. Look at that pattern.
I'm not losing anything.
You're almost losing the
Whatever.
pattern.
Go ahead. Touch it up.
I ain't touching nothing here. You want this brush?
No.
Hey! Whoa! You're gonna hide the pattern.
What pattern?
The wood grain pattern.
Brush. Here, let's switch.
Oh boy. Don't flick the bristles so much.
That's what you were doing.
You're gonna get it on my fancy pants.
So now what's wrong with this?
Nothing. You look how beautifully patterned that is.
It's because you got the good wood. It has
I know I got good wood.
nothing. Hey, Facebook Live.
I didn't say that. I said I know I got
You know
the
what
good
it
wood.
is? You didn't sand these two with as much appreciation as you did with these.
Actually, I sanded those two with as much appreciation as I did with those. If you feel, Widget, if you feel the surface, once it's dry, you'll feel that the surface feels the same top to bottom. And once yours dries a little bit, you'll start seeing more. You should be able to see more pattern. The bats will like it.
The bats love it.
Yeah.
I like the sides of it. So, you know what? I wonder if it's because we had so much of the caulk on it. Would that kind of, even though you sanded it down, would that kind of...
You talking about the sides?
Yeah. Would that stop it from being absorbed as much?
Well, some of because we didn't sand it perfectly smooth, you weren't able to see the wood grain.
Gotcha.
I'm gonna shave my head on Facebook Live. I just don't know when.
Yeah, Lawrence asked me about that the other day. He said, I saw it. Did he do it Saturday like you said? I said, no, not yet.
But
not yet.
if you look right there,
Not yet.
you see. Look at that.
Hello, little wind.
Did you break wind?
No, it was Bridget. She didn't break wind. She did her. Nobody broke wind.
No, it's Widget.
No, she made that little. I don't know how to describe it. She makes the noise.
Fart?
No, it wasn't a fart. Tell him it wasn't a fart.
Oh, it was a.
Chill. Come on.
What did you say? Men fart, women
Poof.
poof.
That's what my dad says.
Well,
What men fart. Women
She
poof.
grunted. Her butt grunt.
No, nobody farted.
It was you.
Nobody farted.
Okay, all right then. All right, Sam.
I can admit if I
Did you do that right there?
Yeah.
Okay.
It looks like the sides.
So are we done?
It looks marvelous.
Are we done?
For now, yeah, it's gotta dry. And then we don't have to do the back. Well, we gonna have to because depending upon what pole or tree we hanging on, I don't want the ugly back. Yeah.
Yeah.
And then we gotta go over it with a polycoat.
Yeah.
Thanks for joining us.
Wait a minute. Y'all want to see the product before it dries? Hold on. Let's see if I can get this off without tearing some apart. Y'all don't even know the fancy stand we had to use to get this thing tall enough to get Sam in the picture.
I knelt down. It worked. He wasn't a fan.
That right there is some fancy stuff. That's called tape. Woo! Wiped it off. All right, here's what it looks like. All right, you show them what it looks like.
What?
I'm going to put some more light on it.
This is what it looks like without light. This is what it looks like with light.
No.
Woo! Without light.
Yeah.
Woo, 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 woo.
With light.
With light.
Burning my finger. You about to show off the fancy rig we have over here. We don't want everybody to see this fancy rigging that we're using. Y'all like my pandemic beard? Yeah. Sam likes my pandemic beard.
I love the pandemic beard.
Yeah.
It's super cute.
Mm-hmm.
It's different. It's not gonna last forever.
It's different.
Different.
Certainly ain't gonna last forever. But this bat house right here is gonna last for a minute. We'll holler at you later.
Bye.
Peace. Peace.